Hey, welcome back guys. My name is Rupesh and you are watching Micro. Today I'm gonna show you how you can play Pokemon Go with JoyStick. So first of all, let me show you my Android version is Nougat Resurrection OS with enabled root permission. As you can see, my phone is rooted. The next step is install two applications, fakegpsgo and Root Explorer. I already installed Root Explorer. So now just go to the fake GPS app info. You need to remember this name. Now open Root Explorer, then go to the app and find the name that I told you to remember of fake GPS. And then just cut it, the folder, go to the system, then app and paste the folder. Then tap yes and close Root Explorer and restart your device and unroot your device. If you don't know how to unroot, I will make a separate video for it. Just comment down below. When your device fully unroot, then open the fake GPS Go and tap on allow, give it permission to access location. Set location is high accuracy, then go developer option and set monk location for this app. Then fake GPS is start working and tap on it which location you want to play this game. Hit the start button, then start Pokemon Go and enjoy. That's all for the today's video. Hope you all enjoy this video.